Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Chick-fil-A honey mustard sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for watching. Like I said, we're going to be making Chick-fil-A honey mustard sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got about a quarter cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, quarter teaspoon of granulated garlic, quarter teaspoon of granulated onion, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're going to be throwing a little bit of salt and pepper in there as well. This recipe is going to be down in the description box and also posted and pinned as a first comment for the link for that recipe. Alright, let's start making this up. Alright, get yourself a bowl big enough for the ingredients. And we're just going to add each of our ingredients into this bowl. There's our mayonnaise. Here's our salt and there's our granulated garlic, granulated onion, our Dijon, our regular mustard, the apple cider vinegar, and our honey. Now we're just going to mix these up. Add our pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it up again. Alright, there is the honey mustard dressing. We've got some chicken nuggets in the oven. We're going to set that up with our photo shoot. We're going to come back and give this a taste. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, this is beautiful looking mustard. You can see there it's sticking right to that chicken nugget like it's supposed to. Very good consistency. We'll go ahead and give a bite here. You can see that. That is very good. I think the mayonnaise having in there to blend both of those mustards in there, the Dijon and the regular mustard, gives it a very creamy texture, and the honey in there gives it a little sweetness. But this is really good. I'm not a big fan of honey mustard. Usually it's too tangy, but this is very creamy and very flavorful. Don't forget the recipe is down in the description box or in the first pinned comment, the link for the recipe. Don't forget to check that out. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you next time.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.